So I'm over here in St. Pete, Florida at Quaker State and Lube. Used to be a lube place, now it's a steakhouse. And it's bike night. Check out the handles.
No. Okay, we're on the inside of Quaker State and Lube. It's quite a place here. Got all kinds of memorabilia up on the ceiling and on the floor, in the bar, games.
So we have an all-you-can-eat buffet over here, right down to the eggs. That is the Steak and Lube, Quaker Steak and Lube cheeseburger, and I'm going in. So these are their famous onion rings. Not bad. It is bike night tonight, and all the bikers in the area, St. Pete, are here having a meal and some music at Quaker Steak and Lube. How's the ground effects on this bike here? Wild, huh? Check this out on the bike, man. It's moving. These guys are funny. They're having a laugh. The thing moves by itself. He's got a remote control. So it is bike night here, and people have decorated their bikes just for the night. Check these out. Oh, it's a sidecar. Hey, nice. Nice. Emblems, ground effects, buckles, leather products.